Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my painting in my molds. So this one I'm going to do a Pikachu, and I just use acrylic paint that I get from the craft shop and a dotting tool that I used to use with my polymer clay, but you can also get that from a craft shop or just have a look online. I'm sure it'd be quite easy to find. So I'm going to start off probably just with the white of the eyes of the Pikachu, just because that's the deepest cavity, and it just makes it a bit cleaner if you just start off with the deeper parts first and then work your way up. And then I do the black part, just like you can see here. And just really carefully with the finer end of the dotting tool, I just draw the mouth on. So I'm used to doing this now, but it is quite tricky and it does take a little bit of practice. So if you make a mistake, you can just get a cotton tip with some water on it and kind of just wipe it off, because it's acrylic paint. It's dissolvable with water, so you can just use some water to kind of wipe off the mistake and then fix it up with the paint. And then using my red and pink to fill in the mouth as well, and also the pink to do the cheeks. So when I do the cheeks, because it's such a big area of colour, I try to make it quite thick so that when the piece comes out it doesn't have any like see-through gaps or anything. So when you're painting, especially in a big circle like that, it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth on the inside, if that makes sense. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit blobby, because the resin will just kind of smooth it out for you anyway. When I do the ears of the Pikachu, I tend to just wait until I've taken the whole piece out once it's finished, and then I paint it afterwards, just because I find it a little bit tricky to get into the cavity where the ears are. But it's up to you. If you practice and you're careful, I'm sure that it'd be fine, but I prefer to just wait until I take it out. So once I've let the paint dry, only an hour or so is fine, I just pour my resin in and just make my pieces as normal. And then, as per usual, wait for it to dry overnight, and then you can pop it out the next day. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the videos, and let me know if you want to see any other videos as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.